How on Jesus Street? Everything that you say makes me see a deeper red. Though I know what I hear isn't you. Will a little bottle in your hand lead you to a one-night stand? The thing you said to me you never do. Spirit of the night I give to you. Spirit of the night I give to you. To always believe in the things you do. Though you may have to fight for what you feel is right. Spirit of the night I give to you. Now the words that you sing are lines in a flame, and I don't want to hear anymore. Somewhere along the way they've lost their connection, and anyway I've heard them all before. So tonight that's what I need the Spirit for. Spirit of the night I give to you. To always believe in the things you do. Though you may have to fight for what you feel is right. Spirit of the night I give to you. Everything that you say is still spinning in my head. Though I know what you say you can't undo. You can see the promised land through the wine glass in your hand. You believe your visions to be true. I hope the Spirit of the night will see you through. Spirit of the night I give to you. To always believe in the things you do. Though you may have to fight for what you feel is right. Spirit of the night I give to you.
I'll let the old man in, Andy.
Thank you. It was in the changing room, believe it or not. I don't know what else to say. Right, okay. So you reckon you're up to this, eh?
No.
You know, I mean, 60 years experience. How long have you been singing rock and roll? Oh,
I've been singing for 25 years now myself.
have you? Yeah. Come.
Yeah.
You know.
I know I don't look it.
No, you don't look it, does it? So okay, I'm gonna do one, and then I'm gonna test you and say.
I'll just follow whatever you do.
Yeah, okay. We haven't rehearsed this, so it could go anyway. I got a good idea which way it will go. Okay, right. You ready, boys? Yeah. Right, yeah. On the tail end, Mary Bad Uncle John, he thought he had the Mrs. but he had a lot of fun, oh baby. Yeah, baby. Oh baby, having me some fun tonight. Where the long tall Sally, she's best sweet you got. Everything the done the Chinese, oh baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, having me some fun tonight. Can you do something? That's right, sir.
You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. You shake my whip, oh, what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Kissing me, baby. I'm feeling so good. me, baby. Drive me insane and I can love it, sure. You're fine, so fine. But girl, 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 you're mine, 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 mine. I sit at home and I twiddle my thumbs. I really notice when it sure is fun. You're fine, so fine. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
Okay, a bit of Jenny Lee. Well, come on over, baby. Whole lot of shaking going on. Come on over, baby. Really got the bull by the horn. Come on over. Whole lot of shaking going on. Oh, shake it.
I said shake, baby, shake. I said shake it, baby, shake.
Come on, shake it.
Baby, shake all night. I said shake it, baby, shake. We ain't faking. Whole lot of shaking going
Let's
on.
take it real low now. Take it real low. Take it down.
I said shake, baby, shake.
Ooh,
Shake it, baby, shake all
all
night.
you gotta do is say those chairs and the things are shake those bodies.
Whole lot of shaking going on.
Right. A bit of roll over Beethoven, I think, with Mr. Luke Perry. I'm gonna write a little letter, gonna mail it to my local DJ. About a swinging little record on one of my jockeys to play. Roll over Beethoven, I gotta hear it again today. Well, if you're feeling like it, go get your lover and a reel and a rocket. Roll it over, gonna move on out, don't have a cover and a reel and a rocket. Roll it over Beethoven, and tell Tchaikovsky and you was taking solo, boy. Roll over Beethoven, 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 tell Tchaikovsky the news. Mr. Jonathan Davis, has he got the job? Oh, yes, he has. Thank you, JD. We'll let you know. Right. Everybody's going out and having fun. I'm just a fool for staying home and having none. I can't get over how she set me free. Oh, lonesome me. A bad mistake I'm making by just hanging around. I guess that I should act the fool and paint the town. I can't get over how she set me free. Oh, lonesome me. I guess she's not like me. She's out in fancy free, flirting with the boys with all her charms. But I still love her so, and brother, don't you know, I'd welcome her right back here in my arms. Well, there must be some way I can lose these lonesome blues. Forget about the past and find somebody new. like a lost ship adrift on the sea of heartbreaks, lost love and loneliness, memories of your caress, so divine. How I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on the sea of tears, sea of heartbreaks. Yeah, everybody's going out and having fun. I'm just a fool for staying home and every night I can't get over how she set me free. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me.
Die skynos are din kai snippen av som ni dai till din breidfjall og det benglau a heidel deg og frysa now. Why, me Lord, what have I ever done to deserve even one of the pleasures I've known? Tell me, Lord, Try me, Lord,